Okay, Peaches, listen. So I don't know what's making me do this. Okay, so I'm basically going to put on every single blush that I own. Yeah, I'm going to put on every single blush that I own. I saw, who was it, Laura Lee? She did a video where she mixed up all of her foundations and put it on her face. I've seen a couple of other people do that, but yeah, I saw Laura Lee do that video and it made me think, hold on, I want to layer all of my blushes. It's the same kind of concept, okay? So yeah, let's see what happens. I've got a bunch of blushes and I've pulled out 3 brushes so I can apply, like if I have to change out my brush, I can. So let's go. And there we have it. Oh my gosh, I don't have any words. I have 0 words for me right now. I look absolutely bonkers, and in real life it looks even worse, trust me. Listen, I loved shooting this video. I think that if you're watching this video, please do this challenge. Like, please do this challenge and tag me to it, or like just leave a link of your video down below. Let me see it, because this is what all of my blushes look like on my face. That is crazy. Make sure that if you do this challenge, just tag me, just credit me, because I haven't seen anybody do this video before. If somebody has, then I didn't see it, but this is so funny. Like, I look absolutely nuts. Yeah, anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.